ओंखाम जागोन होननानै बेलाय मा बन्द' खालामनायनि खोथा दं जाग्लांजोबसै
जोंहा नैबे जायगायाव आगुनि चिफ मानगोनां हाग्रामा महिलारि सारनि दैदेननाय बिपिएफ हान्जानि मिटिं जागासिनो दङ डेलिगेट प्रग्राम दा जों बेखौ नायलांनि ससे प्रग्रामाव माबायदि जादों जों नायलांनि गेटफ्राव दंलाजोबो आरोखि जों सिङाव हाबनि नैबाव बेबायदि गायसननाय जाबाय आरोखि नायलांबाय था आं देखायलांजोबगोन गासैबो ओरैहाय गासैबो गारिजों ओमफ्राय ओरै नायबावनि एसे सिङावहाय थांनि जोङो
from 6 p.m. to 8 p.m. and in Nolbari, Mosolpur, Tamulpur, Bhergaon and Udalguri on 18 July 2023. Through concerned business district could not organize the dharna due to denial of permission by administration following Honorable Assam Chief Minister visit in Bongaigaon district. I thank Omen BPF for taking such a bold step to protest those inhuman activities and for standing in solidarity with ethnic riot victims in Manipur. Honorable BPF President Sir visited the following eviction notice served villages under BTC as per resolution number 2B of 81st CWC sitting held on 19 August 2023 at Business District Sports Association Playground. On 21 August 23, Daronga Mela Tamulpur, Alia and Soibari near Borburi, Mosolpur. On 23/8/2023, CWC sitting held during 4th March 2023.
नैबेजोंबो बेबायदि जिरायजोबदों आरोखि मानसिफ्रा
Simla Koklabari 84 CWC sitting 17 February 24 Progodisil Jonomonsor Kolaigaon 81st CWC sitting Batu Kere Family Resort Samthaibari Sirang on 16/3/2024 86 CWC sitting 27 July 24 Odalbari Community Hall Odalbari Mosolpur 87 CWC sitting Nilibari Playground South Kajolgaon on 19/11/2024 and 88 CWC sitting related to this Triennial Convention at Arona Ethnic Restaurant Kokrajhar on 19/1/2025. Total number of PMB sittings held during our present term 2. One on 25/7/2024 at Batu Kere Family Resort, which was 12 PMB meeting. And on 19/1/20, it was 13 PMB meeting.
डेलिगेट प्रग्राम जागासिनो दङ डेलिगेट प्रग्राम
Central Cell Committee and Omen BPF were held at Odal Medakhat Community Hall on 24/8/2003 Adivasi Cell, 25 August 2023 Bengali Cell, 26 August 2023 Gorkha Cell, 27/8/2023 Koch Rajbanshi Cell, 28/8/2023 Minority Cell, 29/8/2023 Omen BPF, GS Kokrajhar Simpson Musari PMB member BPF, Dhoran Canton Ardari Vice President Kokrajhar. Expedite the ID card issue works. To expedite and complete the ID card issue works. Formation of more cell committees of BPF. In addition to already existing the first as per 16 October 2023 at Naukata Community Hall, Suklai, Tamulpur. Hindi Bazi Cell form on 27 November 2023. Rabha Cell form on 27/11/2023. Sutradhar Cell on 27/11/2003. All these three cells were formed at Batu Kerai Family Resort, Samthaibari, Sirang. Garo cell and Soronia Kosari cell form as per resolution number 1 of 84 CWC sitting held on 17/2/2024 at Progotisil Jonomonso Kolaigaon under Bhergaon and Udalguri district. Santali cell was also adopted, but its formation is presently on hold. Garo cell formed on 23 March 2024. Soronia Kosari cell formed on 22/3/2024 at Tisars Phobon, Nagrijuli, Tamulpur. Garo cell was formed at sometime Batu Kerep following BPF members and extended up to 10/11/2023. Custom Bosomotari, Secretary Youth BPF. Rupukumar Brahmo, Narzari Treasurer BPF, Rinjoy Boro President Youth BPF, Khalilur Philemon Tudu Organizing Secretary BPF, Madhokar. During our last term, all the district committees BPF under BTC convened district executive meetings of concerned cell committees of BPF in presence of assigned cell coordinators. Boot coordinators committee formed on 17/10/2023 as per resolution number 2 of 82nd CWC sitting of BPF held on 16 October 2023 at Naukata to coordinate, monitor and guide boot committees in district and block level with the following BPF members: Moon Singh Brahmo, ex-MCLA convener; Nirin Sainari, PMB member, boot coordinators. December 2023, a joint central cell committee executive meeting was held at Kajolgaon BPF office under the presidency of Sri John Hagrama Mohilari sir, Honorable President. Our party successfully completed the following special mega joining program in presence of Sri John Hagrama Mohilari sir, Honorable President BPF. 2011-2023 car rally and
जोंबो नायलांनो लामाजों नायनो जोङो नैबेजोंबो ओंखाम जाग्रा हल दङ बैयाव देखायहैनि एसे नायलांबाय था देखायलांजोबगोन आरोखि आङो नायलांबाय थाबानो जाबाय नैबेजों नैबाव ओंखाम जानाय डेलिगेट माबा आरोखि ओंखाम जाग्रा जायगा बानायदों बेहाय ओंखाम जाग्रा थिंबो नायनि जोङो ओंखाम जाग्रा आरोखि ओंखाम जाग्रा बानायदों बाव ओंखाम जाग्रा हलखौ नायलांनि ओरै नायबाय थानो जोङो दै बैजों नायबावनि मोनसे नैबावबो दंबायो आरोखि ओंखाम जाग्रा हला सिङाव नायनि नैबावबो आरोखि आं गासैबो देखायजोब्बाय रायजोफोर नैबे जायगायाव ओंखाम जाग्रा ओमफ्राय ओरैहाय लामा दङ थांलाय फैलाय ओमफ्राय मिटिङा नैबे जायगायाव जागासिनो दङ आरोखि नैबे जायगायाव बेंटल जांख्रिखां फोथार दा आङो भिडिअखौ एसेयावनो दोनथ'सिगोन रायजोफोर बयनिसिमबो गोजोनथोंसै दा मिटिं प्रग्रामा नैबे जायगायाव जादोंमोन बयनिसिमबो गोजोनथों
কিন্তু বাৰে বাৰে কৈছোঁ মই আপোনালোকে ৰিজেক্ট কৰা নাই এইটো আমি ফিল্ড ৰিপৰ্টিং আকৌ একবাৰ আলোচনাৰ প্ৰয়োজন আছে বুলিহে আমি ৰাখিছোঁ দেই এতিয়া এইবিলাক কথা